Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we will talk about 14 useful tips and tricks for Microsoft Forms. Likert question type. First, we will create our feedback form. We will name it as Radenta YouTube channel feedback. Click Add New, then drop down and choose Likert. Use the Likert question type to gauge opinions and attitudes about a topic. For this example, our question number 1 would be, how do you find our YouTube channel? Change row 1 to video quality and row 2 to content quality. And change the options according to your preference. Net Promoter Score. Click Add New, then drop down and choose Net Promoter Score. For this, I want to ask, how likely are you to recommend our YouTube channel? From 0 to 10, the responder will rate it from not at all to extremely likely. Section. To keep your questions organized and easy to follow, use sectioning. Click Add New, then drop down and choose Section. We will name this section as Video Suggestions. Add new question. What other contents do you want to see in our YouTube channel? Change theme or style. Just click Style and a section of styles will appear. You can choose different styles according to your preference. Branching. Direct users to your desired section by adding branching. Click on the 3 dots, then choose branching. If their answer is yes, you can direct them to your desired section or question in the same section. Now, we can choose question number 5 as the next question if the answer is yes, and end the form if the answer is no. Let's check out the example. And there you go. Upload a file. Click Add New, then drop down and choose Upload a file. Set the question and setting according to your preference. Immersive Reader. Click the 3 dots, then choose Enable Immersive Reader. Click Play.
Radenta YouTube channel feedback.
Let's have another sample.
1. How do you find our YouTube channel? Very poor, poor, good, very good, excellent. Video quality. Content quality. End of question. Close the reader to input your answer.
You can also change the settings of the speaker according to your preference.
1. How do you find our YouTube channel? Very poor, poor, good, very good, excellent. Video quality. Content quality. End of question. Close the reader to input your answer.
Math equation. Click the question, then click the radio button for math. Now, if you click in this input bar, a table of math symbols will appear. You can now compose your own math problem according to your preference. Print the form. Click the 3 dots, then select Print Form. You can save the form as PDF or directly print the form to your printer. You can also remove header and footers of the form. We can also print the responses by clicking it on the top left, then click the 3 dots and click Print Summary. Shuffle questions. Use this feature for quizzes to give students different sets of exam. Head to the top right, then click three dots, then click Settings, then check Shuffle Questions. You can choose all questions or lock questions if you want a range of questions to shuffle. Set start and end dates. Head to top right, then click three dots. Select Settings, then click Start Date. Open the calendar by clicking the calendar icon. Then choose your start date and end date. Share Summary link. In the Responses tab, click these three dots, then click Share a Summary. Copy this link and paste it to see the summary. You can send the link to your colleagues so they can view a summary of the form responses. Personalized thank you message. Head to top right, then click three dots, select Settings, then click Customize thank you message. Change the message according to your preference. Let's see the preview of the form. There you go. And lastly, multilingual forms. Localize your form by multilingual option. Head to the top right, click the three dots, then select multilingual. Add your desired language, then click the pencil icon to edit. Input the desired language translation for the corresponding title or questions. Let's see the preview of the form. Click this language setting bar, then choose Spanish. And there you go, the form title has been changed to Spanish mode. And that's it for our Microsoft Forms tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content.